What's going on, guys? Chris here with Tactical Outdoorsman, and today we're going to be talking about the Resurgent Arms New York Compliance AR-15 kit, so stick around. What's going on, guys? Chris here with Tactical Outdoorsman, and today we're going to be talking about New York compliant rifles. So some of us live in states that limit the features that we're allowed to have on our rifles, and as much as it stinks, we have to comply to be legal and to not get in trouble. So what I want to talk about today is a compliance kit from Resurgent Arms. I found these guys a while back while I was doing some research on things that looked a little bit better than the Thordston stocks, the Spurs, something a little bit more comfortable and ergonomic, and they came across Resurgent Arms. So what they offer is a kit, and the kit comes with a grip, comes with a thread protector, and comes with a rubber stripping to put on the buffer tube to restrict your stock and keep it in one fixed position. Aside from that, they have enhancements that you can add on, like this back plate here, which is ergonomic, so you're not getting bit by the back of the plate, and also this extended safety, which will allow you to actually reach the safety and be able to actuate it with your shooting hand. So this comes in a left or a right, or you can get a version that comes with the left and the right. Okay, so let's get this over to the tabletop. I'll give you guys a closer look to what's in the Resurgent Arms kit, and we'll take a little bit of a deeper dive. Okay, guys, let's take a look at what we have here. So I'm just focused in on this extended safety, and just to show you how it works here, it's just long enough, and it's just got enough of a shelf to get the top of my finger on, and it's got a 45-degree throw, and I can actuate that with my thumb around the enhanced grip. Okay, so let's take a look at a couple of other things here. I just want to show you guys the grip, which is not protruding past the magazine well conspicuously. So now when you get a grip on this, the webbing of your hand is going to be where the base plate is here. And there was some complaints, I guess, of getting a little bit of a bite from the stock base plates. So they came out with this nice ergonomic base plate here that's got a nice curve to it to prevent that. Okay. Now, you can see that their grip has a little bit of an ergonomic cutout here to fit where your thumb is going to fall and have a little shelf for it. So that's definitely an awesome feature. Now let's take a look at the front of the rifle. We're going to take a look at the barrel and look at the thread protector that they provide. Okay, here we are with the thread protector that's provided. So it's got these nice little fluted cutouts on it, and these thread protectors are just meant to be threaded on and either taken to a gunsmith to have them pinned and welded and ground down and re-blued. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the fixed stock and how that works. I'm not going to take the stock apart on the one that I have set up, but I am going to show you the insert that goes into the buffer tube so that you're not able to adjust your stock beyond a fixed position. So here we have the stock stop, and basically what you do is these inserts here go into the inserts on the bottom of the buffer tube, and what you're supposed to do is, depending on how long your length of pull is, you cut out a small section and insert this into the buffer tube, allowing only one position to be used by your stock. Okay, so that's how that works. Alright guys, there you have it. That is the Resurgent Arms Compliance Kit. So for those of you that are in states that have restrictions on the features that you can have on your rifle, go ahead and check out Resurgent Arms. They definitely have a bunch of stuff on there that are good alternatives to the stuff that's been out on the market. Definitely more aesthetically pleasing and also more functional than a lot of the other options out there. So I suggest you go check them out and give them a try, okay? Thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you guys in the next video.